Aloha mai kākou, Aaron Mahi here again for another Huaʻōlelo Malama, the Hawaiian words of the month. This month of May, we're celebrating National Foster Care Awareness. And so our terms and words will be centered around foster care. Our first word is Lawe Hānai, where in our Hawaiian tradition, we adopt or foster children in our families from Hawaii. Our sentence goes like this. Nana mākua o Pauahi, o Pākī lāua o Konia, Lawe Hānai, ya Lydia Kamakaeha. The parents of Pauahi, both Pākī and Konia, adopt Lydia Kamakaeha, who later on becomes Queen Lydia Kamakaeha. We hope they enjoy these terms and these words celebrating our awareness for foster care. From all of us in Partners in Development Foundation, we wish you a fond aloha and e ola i ka ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi.